Hi, I'm Flash Pro, and I'm the first penguin who made a vlog in Club Penguin. Yay! Woo-hoo! So, if you don't know what is vlog, then just search in YouTube. But in short, vlog is the video blog. That's why we call it vlog. Got it? I hope so. So this is my first vlog, and I don't know what to say. I will end now. Who's got the remote control? Click here to see my music video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hey, I'm talking table. Okay, that was an old joke.